The Hyundai Kona 2018-2021 key fob uses a CR232 battery. Replacing it yourself is easy and saves money. You'll need a flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a new CR232 battery, costing just $15 online or at electronics stores. This guide will show you how to safely replace the battery in about 5 to 10 minutes. Remember to avoid static electricity to protect the fob's components. After replacement, test all buttons near your car to ensure it works. First, gently pry open the key fob casing using your tool. Be careful not to crack the plastic. Remove the old CR232 battery, noting the correct polarity with the positive side up. Insert the new battery the same way. Ensure the rubber gasket is properly seated to maintain water resistance. Snap the fob back together. Clean battery contacts with isopropyl alcohol if you see corrosion. If your fob still doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity or consider a third-party repair kit for damaged clips. Experts recommend DIY for simplicity, but avoid modifying the fob to keep your warranty valid.